Some things that are bad are not bad for us. They're opportunities for us to grow. They're challenges that we are given, which we should embrace in order for us to move on to the next level. Things that are good that happen to us in our life are just the confirmation that we are where we're meant to be. But we also need to be in the mind that we're always where we're meant to be. We're never not on our path that we're meant to be on. We're always on the correct path. And whether you go left or right and at a fork on the trail, and one way leads to something bad, or this is not we label them good and bad, so this is just the language that I have to use. But if you go down this path and something bad happens, it is not bad. It is something, an opportunity for you to grow, a challenge, something to focus on, to level up. And then the good things that happen in life are the confirmation that yes, we are where we're meant to be. We've done the work, and now this is happening. But then you need to get into that neutral mind where there's bad nor good. They're the same. They're just different. They're differences. And we are never not on our path, as I said. We're never not on our path. Everyone is here on the correct path, even if they don't know they're on the path. If they stay asleep their whole life, this is correct for them. It's very easy. It is very good. Thank you. Ciao.